Hi guys, there's a case leak of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and it shows the wider aspect ratio compared to the Fold 3, which is gonna make for a better foldable experience. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So Ice Universe previously revealed that the Fold 4 was gonna have a wider aspect ratio to make the cover display bigger and wider than the Fold 3, because the cover display on the Fold 3 is pretty narrow and not exactly giving an actual smartphone experience. So by making the aspect ratio a little bit wider, the Fold 4 is gonna be able to give a more regular smartphone experience when closed. We've seen concept images from Ice Universe comparing the aspect ratio of the Fold 3 and Fold 4 and showing the physical difference between the two devices. But this time, Ice Universe has leaked the actual case of the Fold 4, and when compared to the case of the Fold 3, it's clearly a little bit wider than that of the Fold 3, which should give users of the Fold 4 the experience of using a normal smartphone when closed, and also make the Fold 4 experience a little more like the competition. Because when compared to the cover display from the competition like Vivo, the cover display on the Fold 3 looks pretty bad. Now, another move from Samsung that's gonna make the Fold 4 catch up to the competition is the Crease. The Crease has been notorious on previous Galaxy foldables, especially when compared to what the competition offers. Samsung is gonna reduce the Crease on the Z Fold 4, which is gonna make for a more beautiful foldable display when opened. It's also gonna give users a smoother foldable display experience when you run your finger across the display. These two improvements are gonna put the Fold 4 ahead of the competition, because besides the outer display and the Crease, Samsung's foldables have a lot more to offer than what the competition has to offer, especially in terms of software features and support. Anyway, we're gonna get more leaks as we get closer to the launch date, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.